I'm once again with you with new video lesson. Today our topic is parabola. As you know, there are a lot of examples of parabolic shapes in our real life as parabolic reflectors, light reflectors, suspension bridges, arcs in the building and bridges. So as parabola has wide application in our real life. So let us study parabola. Now, first we will give definition of a parabola. Definition of parabola. What is parabola? Parabola, it is a parabola is the set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed line and from a fixed point. Fixed point is that is not lie on a line. Which line? That is fixed line. Not lie on a line. Let L is fixed line and F is a fixed point. It is distance from a fixed line and from a fixed point. Let it is P1 point and its distance from a fixed point is FP1 and distance from a line is F, that is MP1. Similarly, let this point is P. So PF is equal to PL. There may be other point, let P2F is equal to Pn. So shape of the parabola is like that. So you can say FP is equal to PL and FP1 is equal to P1M or FP2 is equal to P2N. There may be some other points also which are equidistant from a fixed point and a fixed line. Now, what is this fixed point? This fixed point is called focus of the parabola. And fixed line is called directrix of parabola. Now we define some more terms. It is, as you have seen, parabola shape like that, and this is a fixed line, directrix, a line through the focus and perpendicular to directrix. This is directrix and focus. F is focus. Let F is focus, and line, let this line M, line M perpendicular to L, and M is passing through the focus. A line through the focus perpendicular to the directrix is called axis of the parabola. So what is axis? Axis of parabola is a line through focus and perpendicular to directrix is called axis of the parabola. Now parabola meets some point at axis, and this point is called vertex. Vertex of parabola. So what is definition of vertex? The point of intersection. The point of intersection of the parabola with the axis. The point of intersection of the parabola with the axis. What is vertex? The point of intersection of parabola with the axis is called vertex of the parabola. Now we will give equation of parabola. Equation of parabola, or you can say standard equation of parabola. Equation of parabola. We will drive it. As we have taken L, line, fixed line, and F, it is a focus. Now from focus, draw a perpendicular to line M. Through a focus, draw a perpendicular to line M. Let it meets at point M. Now take a point, midpoint of FM, O. Let O be the midpoint of FM. So OF is equal to OM. What is OF? OF is the distance from fixed point. And what is OM? Distance from fixed line. So what does mean? What does it mean? That means O lies on the parabola. Parabola, this is point, lie on the parabola. Now produce OF. That this is x-axis. And you suppose this midpoint as O. O as origin. And MF distance is 2A, where A is greater than 0. O is point on the parabola. MF, that means this distance is A. So what are the coordinates of F? Coordinates of F are A, 0. Now through O, draw a line perpendicular to x-axis, that is y-axis. O is the lies on the parabola and line through it is x-axis. This is axis of the x-axis. We have taken axis of the parabola. So what is O? O will be vertex. We have taken x-axis as axis of the parabola. Axis is perpendicular to the directrix. Okay. So F is focus, A, 0. So O will be the vertex. Parabola shape. Let P be any point on the parabola whose coordinates are xy. P is any point on the parabola. So what is PF? Distance from fixed point, and distance from fixed line, at PF. So PF is equal to PN. As per definition of parabola, distance from fixed line is equal to distance from focus. Now PF. Coordinates of F is A, 0. Coordinates of P, xy. By distance formula, we can find easily the distance formula applied. Root of x minus a whole square, y minus 0, we can say y 0. Now Pn. Pn, distance from line means perpendicular distance. Okay. So distance from line, as you have studied in a straight line, we can find distance from line by the formula ax dash by dash plus c upon root a square plus b square. If line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here line. Yes, equation of this line. This line is parallel to y-axis. Line is parallel to y-axis at a distance a minus a. So equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. Line parallel to y-axis. So x is equal to minus a, or you can say x plus a is equal to 0. Now equation of directrix is x plus a is equal to 0. This is the line and we have to find distance from xy to the line. So distance is x, as point is xy plus a, or you can say root 1 square plus 0, or you can say 1 square. That means now squaring both sides. X minus a whole square is equal to y square x plus a whole square. Open whole square, x square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square x square plus 2ax plus a square. X square both sides cancel and a square. So y square is equal to 4ax. This is standard equation of parabola whose vertex at origin, and equation of directrix is x plus a is equal to 0. Now equation of axis. Axis is along x-axis. So what is the equation of x-axis? Y is equal to 0. Equation of axis. The terms are focus of parabola, y square is equal to 4ax is a comma 0. Equation of directrix x plus a is equal to 0. Vertex at origin, and equation of axis is y is equal to 0. Now equation of parabola y square. Now as you can see, this curve is symmetrical about x-axis on positive side. So y square is equal to 4ax. Now there are 3 other standard forms also. The other forms are second form is y square is equal to minus 4ax. The shape of parabola will be that means it is open on left side. Open on left side. Focus will be lie at minus a comma 0. And directrix right side. So directrix, so what is equation of directrix here? Equation of directrix is parallel to y-axis at a distance a. So x is equal to a, or x minus a is equal to 0. Vertex, see, at 0, 0, focus, left side, minus a comma 0. We can also derive the equation of this parabola. Now, third is x square is equal to 4ay. What is shape of this parabola? vertex in, we have taken simplest form, whose vertex at origin. Vertex at origin, directrix. Directrix, that means parallel to x-axis. Focus 0, a. So this distance is a, so y minus a is equal to 0. Y minus a? No. Y is positive upper side, so this is y is equal to minus a. So y plus a is equal to 0. So equation of directrix. Because directrix is parallel to x-axis at a distance minus a. So y is equal to minus a. Equation of directrix is y plus a is equal to 0. Focus as 0, a. Now next, fourth, this is also standard form. This is upward parabola. Now x square is equal to minus 4ay. Downward parabola. Equation is x square is equal to minus 4ay. Similarly, vertex at origin, focus will be 0, minus a. Focus lie on y-axis. So 0, minus a. Equation of directrix. Parallel to x-axis at a distance a. So y minus a is equal to 0. So these are 4 standard forms of parabola. What you have seen this? What you have observed? If parabola has y square terms, that means it is symmetrical about x-axis. X square, that means symmetrical about y-axis. Y square is equal to minus 4ax, that means left side open. X square is equal to 4y, upward. Minus 4ay, downward. Okay. Now we are coming to the next important term related to the parabola is latus rectum. Latus rectum of the parabola. What is latus rectum? We have taken standard form as form. Any of the form you can take. Y square is equal to minus 1. So first we define latus rectum. Latus rectum, it is the line segment. Latus rectum is the line segment through the focus perpendicular to axis and whose endpoints lie on parabola. This is definition of parabola. Latus rectum is the line segment passing through the focus and perpendicular to the axis. As we have taken y square is equal to 4x. It is right side, vertex at origin. Let F be a focus. So line segment passing through the focus. Endpoints lies on parabola. So L dash is latus rectum. Length of latus rectum. Now, what is length of this latus rectum? Focus in this shape is A, 0. So, L is lies on the parabola. Let coordinates of L is A and Y coordinate will be suppose L. So, AL. AL will be lie on the parabola. Now, curve is symmetrical. So, LF is equal to L dash F. Now, L point, L that is AL, lie on parabola. So, coordinate must satisfy. What is Y coordinate? Y is L square, 4A and X coordinate is A. So, L square is equal to 4A square. This defined L is equal to 2A because it is length. L is 2A. Now, length of latus rectum is L dash. L dash, it is symmetrical. So, it is 2 into LF, yeah, FL. So, 2 into 2A. So, 4A. Length of latus rectum is 4A. Now, length of latus rectum remains same in 4 other standard forms also. Either the form is y square is equal to minus 4ax or x square is equal to 4ay or x square is equal to minus. Length of latus rectum is 4. Now, this was about the parabola. Now, in next video, we will solve some problems on parabola. Thank you.